What's poppin', billionaires gang? How you guys doing? It's your boy Spice. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, guys, we're going to be talking about why my Forex fund is the best among every other prop firm. Please don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that other prop firms are not good, but guys, we have to make this video, right? We have to make this video so that this can create competition between the companies, so that it can give we traders even the better rules and all those stuff like that can make trading and passing the challenge even more easier. Every other prop firms that I'm going to be mentioning in this video, they are also legit and very, very good prop firm. I'm not going to be talking about any prop firm that is not legit or very, very good here. We're just going to be talking about my Forex fund, because everything that they have just given on their evaluation, man, is just mind blowing. And that is just what I want to share with you guys in this video. So for those of you guys that don't know what Propfirm is, Propfirm are just proprietary firm that give traders their capital to trade. As you guys know, the major problem we traders have is capital. So Propfirm are there to give us capital to trade. Then at the end, every profit we make, we're going to be dividing it, right? Either 70-30 or 80-20 or 85 or even 50-50. The first point I want to talk about my Forex fund is profit target. As you guys know, I've been following my Forex fund for a very long time now, and every single time I've been making video about them. If you check my channel, I really don't make video about Propfirm like that, right? I just always sort out for the better among every Propfirm, right? And I found my Forex fund to be so fantastic. My Forex fund is the first Propfirm, right, that launched that give 8% profit target, right? Every other Propfirm are going to be giving you 10% profit target, but my Forex fund has come to say just make 8% on the phase 1 on your evaluation, then on the phase 2 make 5%, then you're good to go, right? Which other prop firm doesn't have, right? Another point I want to talk about is Drawdown. All those fantastic prop firms, right? When FTMO came, when the prop trading and all those stuffs, right, where they came also, right, they come with 10% overall drawdown. That is, you must make 10% before you lose 10%, right? But my Forex fund was a game changer, right? Which has automatically create competition. Now, if you're trading with my Forex funds, right, your overall drawdown is 12%, right? You have 5% daily drawdown, which is amazing, right? And that doesn't just apply to just phase 1 alone, it also applies to phase 2 as well, right? And even when you get to the live account, right, all your drawdown, overall drawdown is going to be 12%, which is not common among a lot of prop firms. Like I told you guys in my previous video, that I have a friend that already have 11% drawdown and still manages to take the account back to break even, then got a retry at the next month. If it is other prop firm, you wouldn't have had that beautiful opportunity, which is fantastic. Another point I want to talk about is my Forex fund is the only one, right? It's the only one that offers you bonus, right? That every single time you're passing every single phase on the evaluation, right? If you're going for their challenge, every single time you're passing, they are going to be giving you their percentage that you're going to be getting. So that percentage is just that, okay, you're here, you've been trading, you've been investing your time, right? Now that you're investing your time, okay, let's just give you a compensation for trading, right, for going through the challenge and all those that. So they give you compensation for that, which is very, very amazing, right? So they are going to be giving you 2% of every profit you make on the phase 1 on the challenge. Then on the phase 2, they are going to be giving you 4%. No prop firm offers that, right? That I know, right? No prop firm offers that, which is amazing. And also, guys, if you register with my link on the description box below, you're going to be getting instead of getting 100% refund, you're going to be getting 112, right? Not just that alone, guys, I have another good news for you guys as the video goes on, because if you use that link, there are other good things I'm also going to be sharing with you guys, how you can get even more bonus, right? I'm going to be sharing that with you guys. The next point I want to talk about is profit split, right? So guys, as you guys know, when FTMO, the beautiful prop firms, when they come, most likely what you see is 70-30 for profit split, right? But these guys, they are giving you 85% of the profit you make, right? Which a lot of prop firms don't offer. The next point I want to talk about is premium proof and trustworthy, right? So for those of you guys that are wondering, is my forex fund real? Are they legit? Are they this? Are they that? You have a lot of questions. You don't want to get duped, because of course, a lot of Propfirm has come and has duped a lot of people, right? You don't want to get scammed. You don't want to get duped, and you're wondering if my forex fund is a good Propfirm. Yes, I'm telling you right now, my forex fund is good Propfirm with payment proof and everything. Right, I'm going to be leaving the payment proof, my own personal payment proof. I'm going to be leaving it on the screen so that you guys can see. All right, my first ones are legit, and also I'm going to be giving you guys the link to their Discord group so that you can check. Right, even on the Discord group, you can see there are a lot of payment proof there, so you can check that out by yourself. Right, so they're not just Propfirm that that just new, that they don't have payment proof and all that. Right, they have payment proof already. So another point I want to talk about is you can trade anytime, right? So unlike other Propfirms that tells you not to trade news, not to trade over the weekend, not to trade this, not to trade that, not to trade, all those stuff like that, they made it clear that you can trade anytime and you can trade anyhow you want, right? You can trade anytime except for weekends, right? Except for weekends, you can trade, you can hold trades over the weekend, you can trade news, you can hold trades overnight as well. A lot of Propfirms don't offer all these stuff, right? Some of Propfirm will offer some of it, but not everything, right? So my forex fund has been able to to launch that into the business, right? And they are the first, right? They are the first to do this. Right? After they've done that, right, every other Propfirms, they're just there just to copy what they do, right? But my forex fund, they are the first to to launch that, right? So another thing they just launched again is minimum trading days, right? At some point where people pass their challenge, even 2 days, 1 day, 3 days, 4 days, right? And they have to wait for complete 10 days, right? If you think about the 10 days that you have to wait, okay, you wait for 10 days, right? And you go to the second phase again, you have to wait for another 10 days. That's 20 trading days. That's 1 month, right? So now you can pass everything in just 2 weeks, right? You can pass your phase 1 and phase 2 in just 2 weeks, right? And move to live account in less than a month. Most Propfirm are not offering that, and even if they start offering that now, everything also comes from my forex fund, right? This is the challenge we want, right? As a trader, this is the challenge we want. We want them to be in this, right? We want a Propfirm that is going to come here now and say it's no minimum trading days. As you're passing, you're moving to the next phase. We need a Propfirm that is going to give us at least 20%, maximum drawdown, right? 10% daily drawdown, right? So as they are coming like that, we have to be making videos just to praise them because of their achievement so far. So another point I want to talk about is account fee. Very, very cheap account fee. It's $84, right? Even lesser than $84, you can get a 10K account, right? If you want to get cheaper price, what you have to do now is use the link on the description box below to register to automatically get 5% discount. All right, so when they were having their 12% discount, right, I made a video about it and a lot of people benefit from that. But that 12% discount only lasted for just weekends, right? For just weekends, right? This is one of the promo that they do. But now my link will give you automatically 5%, right? And also you want to make sure you subscribe to this channel so that every single time there are these kind of opportunities, I'll be making video definitely about it, so you can always get it in time. So another point I want to talk about is customer service, right? These guys are, oh God. These guys are fantastic when it comes to customer service. I'm sending message now, I'm receiving my reply immediately, right? That is one thing I like. Once you join their Discord group, you can ask them questions, and if you're asking them questions, definitely they're going to be answering you very, very fast. So another thing I want to talk about is stress-free account verification, right? So for those of you guys that are, at the end of the day, you register with a Propfirm, you pass your challenge, you pass everything, and you want to verify your account, right? You want to verify your account to the live account. For those of you guys that are on the live account, you can testify to this. So you want to verify your account and you're submitting your files, and they keep rejecting, saying this is not correct, this is not correct. With my forex fund, it's just very easy, right? It's very, very easy, right? It's very, very, for those of you guys that are in Nigeria, I know Nigerian people always have very, very big issue when it comes to verification, or maybe let me say people in Africa, right? When it comes to verification to all these companies that are not in Nigeria or that are not in Africa, right? It's very, very difficult when it comes to verification, but I promise you guys, with my forex fund, it's very, very easy and stress-free, right? And now guys, another point I want to talk about is different account type, right? My forex fund has different account types. So tell me what you want and they are here for you, right? A lot of Propfirm only have just 2, right? They have some of them even just have 1, right? Like me, I really love their evaluation, program, right? So you might not like the evaluation program and it's the accelerated program, which is their live account that they like. And some people might not like the accelerated program and it's rapid that they will like, right? So MyForexfunds has 3 different account types. So they are ready and they are willing to keep you, right? Which is uncommon for a lot of Propfirm. They don't have different, type of accounts, right? Which is very, very amazing. And again, which brings me to my last point, okay? They now have their own broker, right? And the spread is super tight, right? What Propfirm can you bring out, right? That can, that can offer what MyForexfunds has already offered in everything I've listed down, like just so accurate, right? So every single time I see different, Propfirm pop out on YouTube and all that, I just, go through them, like go through their website, go through everything, After going through it, like I still can't find any Propfirm that's offered something more unique than what MyForexfunds has offered, right? And that's the reason MyForexfunds is still the best. Those of you guys that are planning to, go for MyForexfunds, or maybe you're confused, you don't know which Propfirm you should go for, I strongly recommend to go for MyForexfunds, right? And if you want to register with MyForexfunds, register with the link on the description box below and you get instant 5% discount, right? And also you want to make sure you subscribe to this channel, because every single update MyForexfunds is going to be having, I'll be making sure that I give it out to you guys, right? So, and if you have any question, you have anything, like anything at all, you can join my Telegram channel, right? I'm currently making a video, right, which I'm very, very transparent, as you guys can see on the screen, for me managing a MyForexfunds account, a 50k account. I decided to do it for you guys so that you guys can see, just to show you guys my process and everything, right? So if you want to watch the series of the 50k account, you can join my Telegram channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Thank you for watching this video to the end. God bless you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now, guys.